You're watching 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐏𝐫𝐫, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐏𝐫𝐫, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, we are back with a new wig tutorial from Myfirstwigs. We're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox my wig and show you guys everything that comes on the inside of your wig. So here we have our wig here. They also send you a pouch. They also provide you with a pouch with some tools to install your unit. Let me just go ahead and show you guys this wig. Alright, so this is their bob wig. I haven't done a bob wig in a while, so I'm kind of excited to try this one. You guys can see on the inside your knots does come bleach. It also comes with the combs on the inside and an extra elastic band. I did attach the elastic band to like the first hook, and we're just going to try the wig. See, the knots already come bleached. It also comes with the frontal pre-plucked for you, so it is a really nice wig. It does have a really snug fit also on my head. So I'm just gonna go in and fix this part, make sure that it's completely straight.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
This is such a flawless bob. The only thing that I had to do really to this hair is just go ahead and cut off the lace. I am wearing my unit completely glueless. This is what the wig is looking like. This looks so laid. It literally looks like I just got a fresh blowout. I can't even tell where the lace starts, you guys. Like, Like I just got a fresh perm, I just got a fresh blowout. This looks really good. I'm honestly so impressed with this wig. I have received bobs from them before, but I feel like this one is definitely #1. So I'm just going to read you guys the little information card that I did receive from them with my unit. So the order number for this unit is B950. The hair texture is silky texture, which is soft and smooth. The hair length that I got is a 12-inch. The hair color, same as picture. The cap size is #2. And the cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. And the density of this hair is a 160 density. The hair is pretty full. It has a nice bounce to it. I honestly really love this hair. It's super soft, super smooth, also very silky. As you guys can see, I did not have to add any products to this hair. I'm also really loving the cut. It's like the perfect bob. I did not even have to go in and cut any extra hair from this unit. Whenever I say I want a bob wig, this is definitely the kind of cut that I'm talking about. It's like the perfect length. I don't know, I don't like it too short, but I also do not like it too long. I feel like this length right here is like the perfect length, as you guys can see. And whenever I move my face, the bob just like moves with me. So yeah, I'm definitely liking this. Hair that was used on this unit is definitely 100% human hair. So this is their Malaysian hair blunt cut bob, and y'all, I definitely look like I just left the salon. Like I just got a fresh blowout, fresh perm. I'm honestly loving the way that this looks. It looks so natural and very realistic. It's definitely giving that fresh salon look. You guys know what I'm talking about? If you do, then you already know. But yeah, this wig is such a beautiful unit, and I love this because it's a glueless unit. I was able to just try on my wig, and as you guys can see, this is the results. Also, as you guys can see how natural the lace is looking going around the edges, it's blending right into my skin. It looks so natural, you guys. Like, but this wig right here is a great wig for an everyday wear, especially for the summertime. You don't want nothing too heavy on your head. You don't want like too much long hair. It just like gets in the way of everything. I feel like a bob wig comes in really handy in the summertime when it's humid outside and you just want something quick and easy to try on. This wig right here, I feel like would definitely come in very handy. So yeah, this is pretty much what the wig is looking like. If I did forget to mention anything, that will be listed down below in the description box for you guys. On their website, they do give you the option to pick between Indian hair and Malaysian hair. I did go with the Malaysian hair. I feel like the Malaysian hair just lasts a lot longer. And they also give you 2 different options to choose whether or not you want this color or a natural color. If you don't want your wig to be this exact color, all you have to do is click on same as picture and not the natural color, because if you do, you will be receiving a black wig. If I did forget to mention anything or do have a coupon code for you guys, that will be linked down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone.